So friends, in the previous video I had explained the menu option HACCBANK, wherein only balance, how much customer can withdraw, how much balance is available in his float, how much is in funds and clearing, how much lien is marked, how much drawing power is there in case of it is cash, credit, overdraft amount, what is the drawing power, how much he can withdraw further, how much is spent amount, how much is unspent amount in case if it is a cash credit, which is a working capital limit given to a loanee, or overdraft limit. It can be against the stock or against the fixed deposit also. Now next menu option that in this video I'll be discussing is HACLI. I had given you a brief mention in my previous video, that is ACLI is account ledger inquiry. Herein we can see this is to be seen account wise only, right? Information about transactions done in a customer account. We can choose any date, any month, year, 3 months, 1 month, 15 days, 7 days, as per the requirement of or convenience of ourselves. If the customer has asked the details or we want to verify any account, we can use this, right? So there are a lot of ranges, instrument number wise, date wise, amount wise, number of transaction wise. All these various criteria can be chosen, or if you don't want to choose any particular, all the entries made in the account will appear on a screen. So you can customize you can minimize the details, the report that you want to see, and you want to see instrument number wise also. Suppose customer says I want to inquire about this check number, कितने amount का था, किस दिन clear हुआ. So you just type the instrument check number here, you will get the detail. Or you want to see customer आता है जी मेरे 50,000 से ऊपर की entries जरा बता दीजिए कौन कौन सी कब कब हुई हैं. तो he doesn't want to see all the entries, we can do that. He want to see कि सर 1 महीने का या 1.5 महीने का या 3 महीने का या 6 महीने का transactions मुझे देख के बता दीजिए, we can do that also. Or if as a banker we want to inquire, we can do that. So friends, as you type this HACLI here, menu shortcut here, and click on go, or just enter in the keyboard, you get the screen on your phone. So here you can type the account ID, or you can search from the search here also. This is your signature icon here, right? Now various customization from date. Let's say it says 6th of October 2015, so that is choosing the same date, one day only. We can choose for a month, 2 months, 3 months as per our requirement. We can choose the dates. Customer says by 1 lakh से ऊपर की entry या 2 लाख से ऊपर की entry, we can choose amount also. We can, या he wants कि 1 से 5 लाख तक की entries मुझे बता दीजिए. So we can choose from here also. From instrument number to instrument number we can customize this, or we can leave everything blank. Just choose the date here. It will give you have to give this range here. This is mandatory, otherwise वो केवल आज की entry ही दिखाएगा यहाँ after clicking on go. So this is very important, right? Click on go, you'll get the screen on your next slide here. So you get this after you generate this. Click on go here. You can see account ID, CCY, INR is here, account name it shows here, what is the balance, general ledger, subhead, under which category this account was opened, what was the code of general ledger, that is 20101, that is for savings, what is balance, 12,70,000, opening balance 0 when the account was opened, closing balance 12,70,000, funds in clearing, float balance, available amount 12,70,000, effective available 12,70,000, status active, dormant नहीं है, inactive नहीं है, right? Purge date. So this purging is done. This I'll explain when we do it. When we create a KIF ID, so data has to be purged as per requirement. So this is just a system generated. You don't have to see all the fields here, right? So you can see here city, which country does he belong to, what is his mobile number here, and here you can see all the entries date wise. You can see here general ledger date, value date. Generally it is the same, which is the general ledger date. If the value date is different, it will reflect here. Instrument number, what check he issued, how much amount did he withdraw? 20 lakhs, 25,000, 5,000 through this check, right? Transfer, to transfer, cash paid, right? He deposited all these entries here. So we can view account wise. So HACLI is account wise only, right? So this is very important. You can see here all these entries are here. So this is again a very useful tool for inquiry purposes. Customer can request, and so this option you should know. So this was a very small video on this. So any query, please ping me.